today we are installing the new GAZ coilovers on the project Cosworth. So we are lifting it up right now. But first, let's open these and check these things out. Since these were custom made specific to driving type, weight, all that other stuff. And we got some other tchotchkes here. We got some stickers, air freshener, and spanner wrenches. So let's open these up and see what we got inside here. These are the GAZ Golds. They've got their adjustability here on the side of the shock, so you can go through the dampening. I don't believe it's separate rebound and compression, obviously adjustable ride height. And then we've got the helper spring, the main spring on there. This looks like it could be the rear. I'm not sure. Let's get the other ones out here.
Wanna feel it. Money, power.
We got the next part of the GAZ suspension system. That is the full 6-degree rear beam. This is what all the guys were talking about on the forums of the early 2000s and 2010s. And basically what this does is it changes the rear end to have fully adjustable rear arms using a lot of different spherical rod ends. So we've got the entire center piece right here where the diff bolts up to, and these are the two arms. And the reason for that is because these factory arms are just big old chicken wings, and all they've got is some eccentric bolts that really don't give you the right amount of adjustment. So got this from the guys at OMS in Ireland, and it just arrived here. So let's open this thing up, check it out. All right, this is the upgraded beam. You can see it's got the gussets on there and all redone, built off the factory one. So now we're going to open up the package with the arms, and this is where the new pieces are. It has the adjustable rod ends and really help us with dialing in the suspension. So let's get this thing open. There's the complete kit, got everything out. You can see how beefy these arms are with the extra gusseting they do around the side there. Of course, the rod ends. So yeah, now we got to take off the factory one and get this on there. So let's do that.